Welcome to JMLK, Korea Heavy Equipments and Trucks. Today, I introduce the recently imported VOLVO EC55Blc excavator. This excavator has a bucket of 0.1 to 0.3 cubic size. With the line installed, they use a breaker and a quick clamp which easily changes various buckets and breakers without removing pins. And the trackpad has been replaced with brand new. In this video, we will introduce the operation video of the excavator, the breaker test, and each part in details. First, we are checking all the function and power and the hydraulic pump. It's really nice, everything is almost perfect. And testing if it works well. Yeah, works great. It's like brand new. Regarding the breaker, it should be used slowly and regularly. If you do it too quickly, it will overwhelm the pump and cause a damage and malfunction. This excavator has just been imported from Korea and fully reconditioned. Breaker lines and quick clamps are installed. The engine has been replaced with a slightly used engines in Korea. The trackpad was imported and replaced with brand new. The air conditioner works well and the driver's seat has been replaced with a new one. This excavator is equipped with a quick cramp so you can easily mount various devices. Basic buckets, breaker, canal buckets, and stone or wooden tongs can also be used. JMK always strives for your business with advanced technology, well-trained technical team, and best service. So what are you waiting for? Come and visit our yard. We are located at Sitio Maayahay, Diversion Road, Davao City. Or you may contact us sa 0917-889-4434 or 0948-056-7181. Thank you!